when you want to have a white logo over here with a dark background, and when you scroll, a colored logo. And how to create a simple logo in Photoshop. Well, I created mine in Photoshop just by taking a look at other logos. I thought I'm all about web design. Maybe I can play around with the word, and I came to the word web divine. Like, my websites are so amazing, they're divine. Okay, that's the whole idea behind it. So I go back to the customizer. Then I go to the site identity. Then I want to select my logo over here. I can upload a file, or I can select a file over here. And I want to go to my desktop logo, and there is my logo in color, and I will use that one. So web divine, 2 colors. And what I do with my images in order to optimize them, I copy the title, I remove all the dashes if there are dashes in the image, and I add it to the alt text. And then I select it, I skip the cropping, and there it goes. Then we have a site title. Well, I want to be found on web design, and I'm based in New York, so I say web design New York. If you're living somewhere else, you can say your name. If you want to have local clients, you can do that. And when you're in New York, if that's the case, I think people will recognize you as a really good company, because only the best companies go to the big cities. That's how I think. Maybe it's not true, but that's how people can think. So web design New York, you can also have a beautiful thing like that over here. Web design and branding, whatever you want. I say web design, that's my main keyword I want to be found on. And then there's a tagline, and I say, we bring your ideas to life. Then there's a side icon, which will be seen over here. It needs to be a square. And I can grab it over here, upload files, select files. And I have my fave icon over here. Just dragged a little bit with Photoshop, and then I had a W and a D in the font Railway, and that's my fave icon. And when I upload it, I select it, I skip the cropping, and it will be added over here. So I publish it, I close it, now you see it over here. So when you're having a lot of tabs opened, you know immediately where this website is because of the logo or the text, Web Design New York. So that's handy, and it looks better.